Let's discuss harmful effects of air pollution. Air pollution has many harmful effects for our health. One of the harmful effects of air pollution is respiratory problem. Different types of air pollutants which are present in air, such as suspended particulate matter and oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. When they are inhaled along with air, it may cause many severe diseases of lungs. It may cause asthma, lung cancer, and bronchitis. Bronchitis is a disease of lungs. Inhalation of polluted air may cause sneezing and allergy in many people. Another harmful effect of air pollution is carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon monoxide is a very harmful pollutant. It is released by vehicles and by burning other fuels when oxygen supply is not sufficient. Carbon monoxide is a harmful air pollutant as it combines with hemoglobin present in our blood. Hemoglobin carries oxygen to various tissues and cells of the body, but when carbon monoxide combines with the hemoglobin present in blood, it reduces oxygen carrying capacity of blood as it has 200 times more affinity. More affinity means more attraction. Carbon monoxide has 200 times more affinity for hemoglobin than oxygen. After combining with hemoglobin, it forms carboxyhemoglobin. Under normal conditions, oxygen combines with hemoglobin. But if carbon monoxide is available, hemoglobin will prefer to combine with carbon monoxide and it will lead to formation of carboxyhemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin is a very stable complex. It will not dissociate again and hence hemoglobin will not be available to carry oxygen to various parts of the body. Thus, it reduces availability of oxygen to the body tissues and it may lead to suffocation in person. It may lead to fatigue, state of confusion, blurred vision, shortness of breath, chest pain, and finally, in extreme cases, it may cause death of concerned person. Another harmful effect of air pollution is acid rain. Now let's discuss acid rain. Large quantities of gaseous pollutants such as oxides of nitrogen and sulfur are emitted by industries. Many industries release oxides of nitrogen and oxides of sulfur. These oxides are transferred to air. They are then mixed with water vapors present in air, and these oxides, when get mixed with water vapors present in air, they lead to the formation of many harmful acids like sulfuric acid and nitric acid. These acids are dissolved in water and fall down on earth in the form of acid rain. Here you can see that sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are released by the factories and various industries. They are transferred into the air. They get mixed with the water vapors, and when clouds are formed, they fall back on the surface of earth in the form of acid rain. Acid rain has various ill effects. It increases the acidity of soil as well as water bodies. Another harmful effect of acid rain is that it corrodes the surface of marble. Our heritage monument, buildings and statues are threatened by the corrosive action of acid rain. For example, Taj Mahal of Agra is facing such a threat due to acid rain falling on the surface of Taj Mahal. Its color has changed from white to yellow. In figure you can clearly see that in second part of the figure Taj Mahal has become yellow. This is due to the acid rain falling on it. Taj Mahal is present in Agra. In Agra there are present many industries. These industries release harmful gases such as nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. These acids mix with water and fall back on earth in the form of acid rain. So it has corroded the surface of Taj Mahal, which is made up of marble. Another harmful effect of acid rain is they mix with the soil as well as water when they fall back on earth. Thus they affect land and aquatic life form. Many aquatic forms of life are killed by acid rain. It may cause irritation of eyes and irritation of skin in case of many human beings. These are the various harmful effects of acid rain listed here. It may lead to kidney problem, brain damage, headache, throat irritation, asthma and dry cough. Normal ill effects of acid rain are irritation on face, skin allergy, it may cause asthma and it may cause many skin infections. Another harmful effect of acid rain is depletion of ozone layer. Ozone layer is present in atmosphere and it acts as a protective layer by filtering ultraviolet radiations which are coming from the sun. Sun releases many kind of radiations. One of the radiation are ultraviolet radiations which are not good for human beings as well as for animals. These harmful ultraviolet radiations are not allowed to enter Earth's atmosphere by ozone layer. But due to pollution, ozone layer has developed holes in it. As you can see in figure, ozone layer is represented by blue color, dark blue color, but there are many holes due to human activities. One of the important human activity which has led to the ozone depletion is emission of chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons were used in refrigerators and in air conditioners as cooling agent. So when they are released in air, slowly they have depleted ozone layer. Thus hole has formed in ozone layer, and through this hole harmful ultraviolet radiations can enter into Earth's environment, and it has caused skin cancer in animals and in human beings. Another harmful effect of air pollution is global warming. Some of the gases like carbon dioxide, methane, oxides of nitrogen act as greenhouse gases. They are said to be greenhouse gases because they are responsible for rise in temperature of earth, as in the case of greenhouse. You must remember that greenhouse are made up of glass which are used in cold climates by farmers to grow many plants. Because glass is such a wonderful material, it allows the rays to enter inside, but it do not allows the ray to go back. Similarly, some of the gases like carbon dioxide, methane and oxides of nitrogen, they allow radiations of sun to enter Earth's surface, but they do not allow those radiations to go back they do not allow those radiations to go back from the surface of Earth or from the environment of Earth. These gases trap heat radiations. These heat radiations cannot go back from Earth's environment, so they remain trapped there, and slowly it has resulted in increase in temperature of atmosphere. Because of gradual increase in amount of these gases, temperature of atmosphere is rising continuously. Due to rise in temperature, ice on glaciers has started melting, and it has increased the level of sea water has increased. Thus it has resulted in floods and other ill effects. Another harmful effect of air pollution is smog. Smog is formed by combination of smoke and fog. Smog is formed by combination of smoke and fog. It is a dark fog which is formed by condensation of water vapors, dust and smoke particles. Here you can see in figure, smoke particles are released by industries. These smoke particles get mixed with water vapor and dust, and it has resulted in smog formation. Due to smog formation, visibility in cities reduces, especially in cold weather, because fog occurs only during cold weather, and when Fog is mixed with smoke, smoke is formed.